everyone, welcome to DHANALAKSHMI Enterprises, one of the oldest sewing machine store in Hyderabad. So we are established here in Lakdikapool beside Telephone Bhavan from the past 47 years. I am the third generation businessman right now. It was started by my grandfather and then my dad is taking care of it and I entered it 3 years back. So right now let me tell you about the machines we have. So we deal with home sewing machines, industrial machines and computerized embroidery machines. Let me tell you about the industrial machines. The industrial machines on which we do jute bags. So we have multiple range of jute bag making machines. So you have Singer, you have Merit, you have Metal Wheel, you have Jack, you have Jute, you have Typical and you have Mauser. So all these machines are different range and all these machines can be used for making jute bags. We'll see what machines we can actually use for jute bag making machine. So we'll start with the domestic machine. So domestic machines price range starts around 6,000 rupees. So for the 6,000 rupee machine, you can only use the thin jute. So if it is this fine, it should be perfect. And you can use the maximum needle size you can use on a basic domestic machine is 18 number. And only if you're using thin size jute, only then it is preferable. And then after that we have industrial. On industrial, what happens is you can use a maximum stitch. The needle size starts from 21, and the length is more than 5 mm or up to 5 mm. And in industrial, you also have even more premium machines when you have a big bobbin case. So for a big bobbin case, you have a stitch length of 7 mm. And after that, even if you want a more finer and even thicker jute bags to be made, then you can use a walking foot. So basically, even though machines started around 6,000 for jute bag making machines, it is preferable that you go for industrial machines which start at 19,000. So the advantage you have over 19,000 is even finer quality of the machine, and then you can also stitch a variety of bags like ranging from thin to thick, and because of fine quality and the industrial machines also have a very high speed. So the home sewing machines, they only have a speed of around 1/12 HP or 1/18 HP, but then whereas the industrial machines, they have a 1/3 or 1/4 HP speed motor. So over here what happens is much more work is done per day and the work is even more smoother and even more accurate. So it's preferable that you use an industrial machine, but then you can always start with a regular home sewing machine which costs around 6,000 rupees. So now let me just explain you about the disadvantages of using a small home sewing machine. Even though it is good for the beginning, the only problem is you can't do thicker widths. And sometimes on the turnings or when you want to do the edges, the overlapping of edges, or when you want to do the joints, it will be a little tougher. So that is one thing to be kept in mind. And let me explain you about industrial machines now. Industrial, you can basically do 3 types. One is the regular industrial machine. On a regular industrial machine, everything is fine, you can do it. But then if you want to go a little more heavy duty, it is better you go for a big bobbin. The advantage of a big bobbin is you'll have a greater stitch length. If you have a greater stitch length, you can go for even thicker products of jute. And then the final one, that is the walking foot. So you can attach a walking foot to the existing machine and you can go even more finer with the jute. So this is a Metal Wheel Link model. So this is our own brand. However, you can also use Singer, Merit, Vidya or any machine of the same range. So this is called SP machine. That is the basic home use domestic machine. This will cost you around 6,000 rupees. And right now I'll show you a demo of how we can actually use this for stitching jute bags. So this is our Metal Wheel Link model. If you see, we are clearly able to stitch everything over here properly. So this machine is perfect for this thickness of jute. So this is the industrial sewing machine. The price range of these industrial sewing machines start from 16,000. We are looking at bio. Other than bio, we also have Mauser, we have typical, we have Jack, and we have Jute as well. So we'll see how we can do it on these industrial machines. So if you observe, this has a much higher speed, and the thickness can be even much more, and the length is also higher. And because of the speed, because of the thickness, what happens with the machine is that you can always have a very good quality of finish in the garment or in the bag. That is the advantage of using this machine. So for the industrial machines, there is a different type of synthetic thread which is used exclusively for jute bag making machines. But then we are using a regular cotton thread because of the availability as of now. So the advantage of using a big machine is mainly this quality of stitch. And with this speed, you can make a lot many bags in a very short time. So that is the main advantage of this machine. So second fold, third fold, fourth fold. So this is a total 4 folds to the fabric. So even if it is 4 fold, it is able to do it very easily. So over here, if we use, this is a regular industrial machine. Over here you can even use a thicker quality when you are using a big bobbin, and you can go for a much finer and easier output if you go for a walking foot. Look at the main difference. We have seen a regular 6,000 machine, and we have also seen a 16,000 to 19,000 industrial machine. So the main difference between these both are that machine is too slow. It has a very small motor. We've done it manually, but then even if we put a motor, it is kind of very slow, and you can only do up to 2 folds. But then if you use an industrial machine, it is much faster, much smoother, and you can do more work in less amount of time, and it is much clear that the output, the finishing and all is very good. So if you're looking for a good output and good quality of material to be done, then industrial machine is the right machine. That is a good starter machine, but then this is the perfect one. And the maximum needle size you can use for the home sewing machine is 18. But then over here you can use 21, you can use 23, you can use 25. So the thicker the cloth, you can use a thicker the thread also. So the thicker the thread, the thicker the needle, the thread is seen and then it is that hard. So this is the perfect ideal machine for jute bag making machines. This is the frame for the embroidery machine. We will be fixing the cloth to the frame right now. So this is how you fix the frame for the embroidery machine. So once the frame fixes, you just make sure that it is tight from all the edges and then you tighten the screw. You can fix the cloth to the frame. So this is how tight it has to be. This is a computerized embroidery machine. So this is the one which we are checking right now is the Viking Brilliance 80. So this is one of the best machines for computerized embroidery machines. computerized embroidery machines, you can start doing embroidery on your jute bags from a range of around 1 lakh itself. So from 1 lakh it will go up to 8 lakhs. So this machine is costing above 3 lakhs. But then you can also start doing embroidery on a 1 lakh machine as well. So we'll have a look about how the embroidery is being done. Generally we use a paper for any garment, like any cloth or any blouse, but then because it already has a lamination, it is thick enough, we do not a paper is not required for embroidery because it is already there and it is thick enough. So we have more than 6 brands for embroidery. So we have starting with Brother. Brother is a 111-year-old company. Then we have Bernina. Bernina is from Switzerland. It's a 127-year-old company. Then we have Viking and Puff, which is again 100+-year-old. Then we have our own brand Metal Wheel. This is for total commercial embroidery. So this is a single head machine which has 12 needles. And commercial jute making and commercial embroidery can be done on these machines. So Metal Wheel is also manufactured by Ricoma. So this is a US company. This is almost all 30 years old. But then Ricoma and Metal Wheel, they're basically the best in single head embroidery machines right now in the market. Let me brief you about the delivery details. So for all these the home sewing machines and industrial sewing machines, we have a free delivery and free demo throughout Hyderabad. So we also have a 1-year service warranty for all the home and industrial sewing machines. And any outstation, we'll be giving you, we cannot fit the machine, hence we can only provide courier service to you, that's it. And for the embroidery machines, it is free throughout Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So there will be a free home delivery and a demo throughout Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for the embroidery machines. And coming to the finance part. So for the sewing and embroidery machines, we are tied up with Bajaj Finserv. For any transaction above 10,000, we can have a Bajaj Finserv EMI of 5 months. And we are also tied up with HDFC for embroidery machines. So HDFC basically gives a loan for all the local customers, for embroidery machines, ranging up to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and 3 lakh.